Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. Friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, now let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, then the answer to this question is very simple and obvious that my this video collection is in the continuation of my previous video, but I have very unique and trendy ideas in this video. That is, all of you could see that very amazing creative and artistic style hand embroidery patterns have been shown in this video. But friends, no need to worry about this video collection is absolutely for embroidery beginners, those persons who do not know how to embroidery or how to make embroidery stitches, or they are beginners, they don't have too much grip onto their hands for making embroidery patterns. Then don't worry friends, the entire collection is absolutely for you, because this collection is totally based on one stitch and one single stitch, that is a lazy daisy stitch. A lazy daisy stitch is very easy to make, its patterns are very easy, and it looks very trendy and stylish at the same time. Friends, I have also made one video on lazy daisy design ideas, and I am adding at the end of this video that video, so that you can get more amazing and crazy designer style 3D embroidery pattern ideas, and which are very easy to make at the same time as well. So I hope you like the video, you like the collection, you get trendy and amazing ideas, and these are very easy to make. They only require your effort of 1 to 2 hours, and you can simply make these patterns. I am saying 1 to 2 hours, very long duration for those who are very new beginners and they don't have any sort of grip onto their hands for making embroidery stitches. And one more thing, and at the end of these, the last designs are very creative, and they could be used for a variety of ways, for a number of ways, because you could see that these patterns are made on only a fabric material but not in the form of face masks. Why? The answer is very simple, that I want to give you as many ideas as could be possible with only one embroidery stitch and one embroidery pattern. You can use these patterns as overall dress designing ideas, for making these as motifs onto your shirts, blended t-shirts, onto your sweatshirts and sweaters as well. So thank you so much for watching my video. Stay blessed, stay connected, and keep watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos.